Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I am here with the Kroger weekly ad preview for the sale that'll run from September 18th through September 24th, and it is none other than a Buy 5, Save 5 mega event. I love megas. It's been a minute since we've had a mega, so I'm excited to have it back. Now keep in mind, there's tons of items in this ad, but this is not all that's on the mega event. There's going to be a ton of other products on it that can't even be fit in the ad. Kroger can't possibly put them all in the ad. So that's my job on Wednesday. I'll go through Kroger and do an entire walkthrough and show you all what's included. And then I'll have matchups, of course. So look for those two videos Wednesday. I'm not 100% sure what time it'll get up. Sometimes my school, I get long breaks in between classes, but not always. Kind of just depends on whatever the teacher decides to do that day. So bear with me with that. So let's just dive right in. 99 cents a pound for red tomatoes on the vine or broccoli crowns. 88 cents for whole pineapples and avocados. That'll get free on the boneless top or bottom round roast. $1.79 a pound for the fresh Tyson natural boneless chicken breast. 3 for $11 for Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or 7-Up. 3 for $10 for Red Baron pizza. And then it also is on the Ice Mountain Spring Water. Spring Water is kind of hard to get deals on, so right now it's probably the best price. I wish it was cheaper. 2 for $1 for the Chicken of the Sea light tuna, which is an awesome price, or the black beans from Kroger. This is stupid. In my area, Kroger decided to jack the milk up to $2.49 a gallon when everyone else in this town runs it for $1.49. I know the two other big stores, Walmart and Respecs, all run it for $1.49. So I don't know what Kroger decided to do there. That is the stupidest thing I've ever seen them do. You should be trying to compete with your people, Kroger, not jack milk up a whole dollar more. So, yeah, we don't get milk at Kroger anymore. And even if they want to broadcast 99 cents for a half gallon, that still sucks because it's $1.98 for a gallon. It's $1.49 at Walmart. So, whatevs. And Respecs, too. Like, it's all over. That's something really cool I noticed about Walmart that kind of made me really excited. The grocery store in our town, it's not... We have 2 of them, so it's kind of a big deal around here. Respecs just made price, like, they said they slashed their prices, like, long-term. It's going to be their everyday price. You know, like, milk's $1.49 every day. A certain brand of bread is 99 cents every day. Bananas are 29 cents a pound every day. Walmart saw that, and Walmart did the exact same thing at our local stores. So, I don't know what Kroger's thinking jacking stuff up when all the other stores are going down, but whatever. Just a little rant. I know I got a few Zanesville people here. Let me know in the comments below. Have you ever noticed Kroger doing that? All the other stores in your area run something cheaper and they just decide to jack it up. Let me know that. If you're watching this in the Premiere format, which it is in the Premiere format, if you don't know what that is, basically when this video first published, we all got the chance to watch it together and do a chat, kind of a live chat, which is really, really cool. But if you missed that, just let me know in the comments. All right, and then let's do the Friday, Saturday sale, and then we'll do megas. So Friday, Saturday, we have the Wright Bacon, $4.99 each, and then we have the Wheat Thins and Nabisco for $1.99. Then we have Buy 5, Save 5. So Frankie told me about this that I never would have noticed. The Pringles are 97 cents mega price, but these are not just the regular Pringles. These are the mega stack, which apparently means they're a whole lot bigger. So that's an awesome deal. I don't know if we have any coupons or not. I looked on Coupon Tom and it didn't say we did, but Goldfish and the Simple Truth popcorn and tortilla chips are all 97 cents. I tell you, you should never be paying more than this for snacks. Ever. Kroger makes it so easy to save on that kind of stuff. It's amazing. All right, and then Kroger's really going to give us some money makers on cereal. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. Frankie told me about this as well. Or no, it wasn't Frankie. It was Zugu Mugu. I'm sorry. Zugu Mugu told me this. I got so many people messaging me deals, it's hard to keep up. They're $1.79. There is, Zugu Mugu told me there was a $1.50 digital. So that's that's 29 cents for a box of cereal. Now, there's Ibottas for Frosted Mini Wheats and Frosted Flakes and all sorts of stuff. So it would actually make it free. But Shopkick has a $1.20 rebate back on Frosted Flakes. 300 kicks. So you can make good money on Frosted Flakes. So amazing. And then the apple juice is also $1.79. Fritos $1.77. All these cheeses are $2.99, and then Tide and Downy and all that's $4.99. So let's talk more megas, because that's what we're all here for, right? Okay, I'm not going to read all these. I'm just going to glance over them, but I will point out what I think is a good deal. Now that broth right there for 99 cents, that's an insane deal. That's insane. That's crazy. That's cheaper than we'll even probably get it at Thanksgiving. So I would definitely hop on the bandwagon. It's organic too. I'm really impressed. Kroger's coming, whether you like organic stuff or not, or if you care, even if you don't care if it's organic, why would you not get this? Because you can't even get the generic Kroger brand broth for 99 cents. So the fact they're offering the organic kind, which is supposedly better quality, I don't know all that. I don't really know if it is, but regardless, it's supposed to be better quality. And if it's cheaper than the regular one, why would you not do that? Like, seriously. Lots of good stuff here. And same with the tortilla chips, the Kroger tortilla chips, same thing. The Kroger tortilla chips are 97 cents, or I'm sorry, the Kroger tortilla chips are $1.25, but the Simple Truth ones are going to be 97 cents. So why would you not? Now here, the beans, those are more. Those are $2.69 for a 4-pack, and as we saw on the front page, Kroger beans are 2 for $1. But so you got to watch. It's not always cheaper to buy organic by any means, but sometimes it is if you pay attention. Kins, I know we did have some Kins coupons for $1 off too. Some of you had 2 off too. Okay, the Eckrich, they do this all the time. Around here, the everyday price is $2.49. So saying it's $2.99 and then $1 mega is $1.99, no, that's not right. It would be $1.49. Voila. And then there's actually a whole other page here. Trying not to go too fast. And then there is this Porkapalooza thing. We'll just go over that. They have a lot of pork deals. 99 cents for the whole pork shoulder. $1.49 for pork half loin. $2.99 for pork back ribs. And then 2 for $5 for Italian sausage. And voila. The meal deal video next week. You're going to be for sure seeing pork and chicken breast. I know the meal deal did not come around this week. I really am sorry for that. Some weeks I give myself more to do than I should. Like this week I did that huge haul on Friday, and I was supposed to have the meal deal video up by Friday, and it just did not happen. I was kind of lazy on Thursday because I just got off of a hard week of school and I just wanted to relax. So I did not get around to the meal deals, but I promise you guys, it's coming back. I just got to get more disciplined. And I was going to film it Friday, but the haul took like all day long. So yeah. Hey, let's just scan over here. The Pop-Tarts and the fruit snacks are $1.49. There is a 25-cent Ibotta for the Pop-Tarts. I'll have to do more research. There'll be more specific breakdowns on Wednesday. So for sure, like way more specific than this. I know this is not very thorough. I'm trying though. Okay, this is a deal I'm not sure, but I am 90% sure it is going to be included. We have Dawn Palmolive and the Tide Simply for $1.99. They're just showing the liquid. And we have a 50-cent coupon for the liquid Tide Simply from last week's paper. So that'd be $1.49. However, we do have $2 coupons for the Tide Simply pods, which almost always are included as well. That'd make that free if those are included. I'm like crossing my fingers, hoping that those will be included, because I'd love to get myself some free Tide. Love it. Even though I've been getting them for 94 cents all week, I'd love free Tide. There's not really too much here. Yeah, so there are some good things. But like I said, give me a chance on Wednesday. I will do more matchups and give you guys more specifics. Oh, anything there catch your eye? All right, and then I'm like not too excited about any of this, really at all. Yeah, who really cares? It's cheaper to buy the fresh chicken this week, but that's not bad. That certainly isn't bad. That's like $1.99 a pound. Okay, produce. Yeah, nothing too thrilling here. The pork is good. The pork is a very good deal. Definitely. I'm not really that impressed. Okay, and there's no free Friday. I thought we were turning a corner. That was my very bad try to do a sad face, and it did not turn out. But I thought they were turning a corner and giving us free Friday every week. Free Fridays, I guess, not happening right now. So that really is annoying. All right, so that's the ad. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're watching the premiere, thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to sign off now. And I will see you all in the next videos, which will be new preambles in the morning. And then Monday will be coupon chat, plus a very, very special announcement of a really fun video that the couponing squad, which is a collab I'm in, is going to be doing. So be sure to stick around OVC, because there's always something new on